Start over.
Hello Hashir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Which school you are currently studying in?
I am studying at Scienta Vision System G13.
What are your favorite subjects?
My favorite subjects are physics and computer.
Where are you from in Pakistan?
I am from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Hungu, and I currently live in Tarnaul.
What's your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Pashto.
How did you hear about Rehan School Foundation?
I heard it from my parents. They told me about it, and I was interested in it. So that is how I heard about
Was anything difficult at first?
it. Yes, the third task, which was about following Rehan Wala, was kind of difficult for me because at first no one was accepting my friend request, but uh, through time and hard work, I completed it.
What's your favorite thing about this school?
My favorite thing is how they make us students engage together and learn together step by step.
Why did you choose the AI field? Could you tell something about it?
I chose the AI field because I think the future is mostly about AI and it is important to learn more and more about it, as I feel like it will be very important and helpful to learn about AI for the future.
Who has helped you the most in tasks?
Uh, Sir Manoj and Miss Pooja training wali has helped me the most as they are our facilitators of the class.
Have you made any new friends?
Not much currently. You are the only one I'm in touch with and the only friend from Rehan School Foundation.
Would you recommend this school to others, your relatives, about Rehan School?
Of course, because it helps me learn lots of new things and engages us in new activities and makes us prepared for the online world.
What are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobbies are playing video games and typing. Mostly, I play Minecraft and Roblox on my computer.
Okay. Uh, do you find any teacher who's helping you or the intern who's helping you more in tasks?
Yes, mostly Miss Pooja is the one helping us and guiding us the most, and she is the most helpful facilitator in our class.
Has your account suspended during any of your tasks throughout?
No, unlike the other students, I uploaded very cautiously in the start, so none of my accounts has been suspended, and everything is going smooth for me.
What do you want to do in the future?
In the future, I was not sure, but recently I took an interest in developing games and animation, so I think I will stick to that.
Do you do learn about some other AI courses in the meantime after your class ends?
Uh, yes, yes, I do want to join more courses after the class ends. These classes ends because I want to expand my knowledge and make my horizon more broad, so I can learn lots of more new things.
Uh, what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is playing tennis.
Do you watch cricket matches in your free time?
Uh, Not really. I'm not interested in cricket.
Okay. Do you chat with your Rehan school friends in your free time?
Yeah, I do talk, chat with my friends chance as I chat with you as well. So yeah,
Uh, okay, thank you very much for the interview session.
you're welcome.
It was such a very great interview with you. You
Yes,
answered
same
all the
here.
questions very well.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.